hating on you with their friends, girl, you got.
Today, I'm going to be making spaghetti squash with chicken tenderloins. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be making today. My healthier version of spaghetti, because I'm going to be making spaghetti squash. And this is really my first time making spaghetti squash, but I heard that it tastes really good. So come along with me to make it for the first time. So the first thing that we're going to do, because this is going to take the longest, is go ahead and cut our squash down the middle and then season it, throw some oil on it, and throw it in the oven, because this is going to take 45 minutes to cook and get soft, so we could throw everything on it. So I'm going to cut it on the sides. And it's hard to cut a squash. Now that we got it cut, I'm gonna go ahead and take a spoon and get the seeds out of the middle. Inside, I'm gonna go ahead and stick it on here, but I'm gonna put some parchment paper down. But I'm gonna stick it down in here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil . Oil it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and season it. So I went ahead and I flipped it around, and now I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in the oven for 45 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting up all of my onions, bell peppers, and garlic, so I can add it to my chicken and cook it with my chicken to add to my spaghetti squash when it get finished. all of this and then throw it inside a pot and cook it.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back.
Because I added a little bit of oil to the meat already, so I'm gonna just add a little bit more to the pan. Cause I don't want my meat to stick to the pan, so that's why I wanna make sure that turn it on. Make sure that the stove is on though, cause that's the only way the meat gonna cook. So we're gonna go ahead, the meat and bell peppers, onions, and all that into the skillet while it's getting hot. And I want to get everything in here. And I cut a couple pieces in half and check to see if it was done, and it looked done. So what I'm gonna do is take a piece and try it. Yeah, it's good. My squash is still cooking. It wasn't done yet. So what I'm gonna do with this right here is turn this all the way down. And then I'm gonna get my sauce. Before my sauce in here, make sure that this is seasoned with salt. Make sure that this is seasoned with my sauce and cheese. So by the time I and pour some of this in here, I'm not gonna pour a lot because I don't need a lot. I feel like that should be good right there. That might be a little bit too much, but we're good. Go ahead and mix this around. Mix this around with the chicken and stuff. And I'm the type of my family's the type of people that when we cook our spaghetti, we like to add a little bit of sugar into our spaghetti because it cuts away from the bitterness of the potato sauce, and so that's what I'm gonna do with mine. Yeah, you don't add a lot of sugar, just a little bit. This right here is a teaspoon. I'm not even gonna add a whole teaspoon of sugar. So this is what I'm adding. I didn't even add the whole thing. It's still more in here. Back into the thing. I went ahead and I took it out and I start putting it into here. So what I start doing is scraping everything just like this, and then I took it out right here, and then I start putting it into the sauce. So I'm gonna do that to this whole thing, and once I get everything out and into the sauce, I'm gonna go ahead and come back and show y'all how everything look and what else I'm gonna do to it after that.
Next wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games.
Inside of here, I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything in here with the sauce and the chicken and the bell peppers and onions and all that to make sure that everything gets coated within the sauce.
Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home with no.
So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to season it a little bit more and add some cheese to the inside of it. So the only seasonings that I'm adding to it is some onion powder, some black pepper, some parsley, and some garlic powder. Go ahead and stir this in here. And the cheese that I'm going to add to the inside is sharp cheddar. I'm going to add some sharp cheddar to the inside of it. Let's go ahead and mix that in here.
Why is that so alone? No one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
Now what I'm about to do is take all this and place it back into the zucchini shell, and then place some cheese on top of it, and then put it back inside the oven and let it melt on top, and then it will be done.
So funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home with no.